Hello friends. Today we can learn about a new application which is very useful for teachers, not only for teachers, those who want to keep one ringing alarm to your mobile, into your mobile, to the Google Calendar, to for your reminder. Okay, we can add this one very easily to the mobile. Many teachers are using Google Calendar for reminding, but the problem is in Google Calendar there is no any ringing alarm. Okay, those who don't know about the Google Calendar, I will show you quickly. In the Play Store you type Google Calendar, install that Google Calendar in your mobile. After installing, you open that Google Calendar application, allow, accept everything. Now we can plan, we can give the reminder to the Google Calendar. Click on this plus button and select the event. Okay, click on the event. Then you can see add a title button. There you type whatever you want to get that as reminder. Here I am typing simply. Okay, this is our heading, and we can select the date also. Here Saturday we have to change to tomorrow, so select this date at first, then change this one to Sunday by clicking here, then click OK. Then time also change. We need a half an hour before, so select it is 2:30 we have to send, so select 2 o'clock p.m. then OK. Now you can see 2 o'clock p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Okay, we need that time limitation, so here we click and select 2:30 p.m. set the time also. And you can add the notification in different time. Click on the add notification, then 5 minutes before. Again we can add one more notification for before 10 minutes. Okay, then again we can add before 30 minutes. Like that we can add 5 notifications. Okay, then after that you click on save button. This is the calendar setting. I am showing this one only for calendar setting, but the problem is this notification will come as a SMS or a notification in your mobile, only that much. There is no sound, there is no ringing alarm. So we are going to add one ringing alarm to this Google Calendar. Mobile will ring according to its time. Okay, so for that we have to go to the Play Store and we have to install one third-party application. Open the Play Store button. There you type event reminder with alarm. Event reminder with alarm for Google. Okay, you can see here event alarm reminder for Google. You type directly there, you will get this one. So you select this event alarm reminder for Google and install. After installing this application, click on the open button, then click here some guidance. Then after that at the end, then you have to import the calendars which you have in your mobile. Then allow calendar. Then now it is adding the calendar which you have in your mobile. We have one Google Calendar, so everything will be added to here. So this is the interface of this calendar alarm. Just top of this you can see calendar alarm activation button. You click, you can see calendar alarm clock is not activated. You can activate in the title bar. This is the one. You click on this radio button. Now it is activated. Okay. Already we have included one event in the calendar. Okay, remember they automatically came here. Send report to VP today 2:30 p.m. So this is the interface of this Google alarm. Okay, ringing alarm. So just top of this you can see the time in big letter, and what is the next alarm, that also we can see. Only one alarm, one reminder we have added, that is shown here. You can add as many as reminder in this, and which is the next alarm it will show here. Okay, and there is a desktop picture. This one you can change by clicking here. You can change desktop picture. See, they have given 2 or 3 or 4 pictures for this desktop. Whichever you need, you can select according to your wish. Okay, one more thing, If you can use this application lifelong free, but one problem, they will show some advertisement in between. If you don't want the advertisement, if you cannot suffer the advertisement, if you give rupees 170 rupees, you can buy this one lifelong. Okay, so this is the interface. Here you can see the reminders according to the month wise. When you click here, it will be expanded. Okay, we can expand, and when this timing means reminder, when all the reminder we can see. If you click here, you can reduce this one by clicking here, and you can change the heading also by clicking here, and by using this button you can add the events in the calendar. It will automatically go to the Google Calendar also. When you add the reminder in the Google Calendar, it will come here automatically. If you add here, it will go to the Google Calendar also. You can see two options: add a background image. You can add your own image also by clicking here. Now completing the action by using the calendar or calendar alarm, both anything we can use, or if you have any another calendar of a mobile calendar, that also we can select. So now selecting this Google Calendar, it will be open there. Okay. See here, you can see the remedial class grade 9 2:30 p.m. It automatically added to this application. And you can check by clicking here which all time notification. Here you can see reminder 1 2 3 4, reminder 1 2 3 4, reminder you can see from 1 o'clock to till 1:55 4 reminder will come. If you want to close, if you want to off any reminder, by clicking this button you can off any reminder out of this 4. And if I am clicking the 1 o'clock reminder, it will ask, are you sure? Then I will click OK. That reminder will be off, only 3 reminder will come. Okay, like that we can set this one. So now time is 1:38. At 1:40 the mobile will make a ring to remind you. I will show you how this is getting the ring. Okay, like this you will get one ringtone, whichever ringtone you set in your mobile, according to that taste, with that sound, with that ringtone, your mobile will ring with a message like this. Okay, in that box you can see slide to stop and snooze for 10 minutes. If you need one more reminder after 10 minutes, you can click on this snooze. Otherwise you can click and drag to right side, so it will be close. Okay, that is the reminder style of this application. Whatever you want to remember, you can set in the Google Calendar. It will automatically in this application, and it will remind you without fail. It will remind you. You will not miss anything. And after the reminder, it will show that reminder. See, reminder 1:40. It cut. See, it is that reminder over. So next, if there is another reminder, it will come there. Okay, but I here only one reminder I have a set, so only one reminder, that over. So this is the method. Friends, you can use this application lifelong, and by using, you will not miss any event in your life if you use it properly. Okay, I hope you understood how to use this application. We will meet again with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.